Hello everyone. Here is a glimpse of what I saw when I was walking around my college. And I hope you can also see the same around and across the communities, across the streets. There are animals that need your voice. There are so many species that need your advocacy. They need people with a soul. They need people with essence of humanity. So let's raise our voices to defend them. Stop. Stop putting water about it. Let us save the aquatic life forms, animals, plants, and all the species that live underwater by not throwing the plastic waste products, industrial wastes, food leftovers, and feed matters into the ponds, rivers, lakes, seas, and the oceans. Because these are not only detrimental to their lives, but they are also threatening ours too.
Our smallest consistent actions can lead to robust change. What you waiting for? Let's begin today. We can start by planting more trees, stop burning and cutting down trees, work and eat sustainably, use alternative renewable energy. We can still save our planet. We can defend our future. Together we can.